Greetings, my friends. I am Mia. I am a landscape designer and a graphic designer. In my free times, I like painting, drawing, creating artworks, and doing some DIY projects. I just want to let you guys know a little bit info about myself before I show you my space. So I moved in this new apartment, one bedroom apartment, about 2 months so far. When I moved out from my old apartment, I got rid of lots of the old furniture that I don't like. And this time I didn't really buy any new furnitures. I just bought a new velvet blue couch. I really like that couch. So I just finished organizing all my stuff and my furnitures, and did a little bit decoration and some old furniture makeover. Definitely I haven't finished the entire decoration, but I think I have a good start, and I have some ideas about how to decorating a small cozy apartment. So I just can't wait to record this video and show you guys my apartment. So this is my apartment, and here is the entryway. This is actually a TV stand that I bought from IKEA, but I put it here right now so I can put the keys, the purse that I usually use, and the mirror on top of it, and Mojo, my dog's toys on it. I don't really like how it looks right now, so I'm just gonna do a makeover about entryway later. This is one of my projects. I call it Waveland, and it's a 3D model. And here's the sitting room, and this is the blue velvet couch that I bought. It's really cheap because the Black Friday deal is like $200, but it's really comfortable and I super like it. And this was a IKEA black coffee table before. I don't really like how it looked before, so I just decided to paint it over, and I wasn't sure about what I'm gonna paint. But it turned out to be sunflowers, and it matches the couch. This is my another work. This is the work area. This is a projector. We use it to project on the wall for watching TV, Netflix, and movies. This is my bedroom. I bought a nightstand and the lamp from IKEA, the clock is from Target, and the bed frame is also from IKEA. I used lots of artificial leaves to decorate the bed frame and the window, which gives me a feeling of nature. I really like how I decorated the window. It's like it's sleeping in the forest. This is the desk in the bedroom. I do my makeup and write diaries every day here. And I DIY a little branch for hanging earrings. And I bought those wood panels from Walmart and then painted over. I think they're a good wall decoration, but I probably need to reorganize them. So this is how my apartment looks like right now. As I said, I haven't finished it, so I will keep decorating my apartments, and I will also record and post videos to share my ideas. If you think you like my ideas or you think I inspired you in some ways, please like my video and subscribe me so we can be friends and share more ideas about how to decorate a small space.